Good day everyone. Today we're going into accounting, manufacturing account. And when we talk about manufacturing account, we're talking about an internal report that allows a business, a manufacturing business, to understand its cost of production or its production cost. That is what a manufacturing account is about. So what are the formats? I'm going to take you through the formats of a manufacturing account. So this is how we prepare a manufacturing account. The first item in the manufacturing account is the opening stock of raw materials, which we have the figures for. Then you add purchases of raw materials, then you add carriage inwards of raw materials. And as soon as that is done, you less the closing stock of raw materials. You less closing stock of raw materials. Then this will give us direct materials. So for the cost for direct materials, in the manufacturing account, we need to find the prime cost. And for the prime cost, it is direct materials plus direct expenses plus direct wages. How do we get direct materials? For direct materials, we have opening stock of raw materials, we have carriage of raw materials, we have purchases of raw materials, then we less closing stock of raw materials to give us direct material. Then direct wages are wages that are linked to factory workers. We have it. Then we have direct expenses, which are expenses that are incurred in the course of purchasing the raw material. So in the course of production. So that's all. So direct material, direct wages, direct expenses give us the prime cost. So which simply means to arrive at direct material, we need opening stock of raw material, purchases of raw materials, carrying inward of raw materials, less closing stock of raw materials. That's how we get our direct material. So direct material plus direct wages plus direct expenses gives us the prime cost. That's how we get the prime cost. Now we have the factory overheads, which are expenses incurred